Hello, my name is Cameron, aka Technically Gaming, and this is a computer build video and an intro video. The first video is probably coming on March 12th, and it's going to be a Minecraft video with me and my friend. We will do 5 minutes, or how long each day and night is, so we'll play one full Minecraft day, and then end the video. Well, I'm going to get to the computer build first. Probably the most important part of it is the motherboard. It is the ASUS Sabertooth Z77. I like it. It's very fast and it looks great in my computer. But I wish it was dual LAN. That's the one bad thing that's the one thing I don't like about it. The next is the processor, which is the Intel i7 3770K. It's been overclocked, it's been pre-clocked to 3.5 gigahertz, which is enough for me, so I won't need to overclock it unless I feel like it. It's great. It's very quick. The next thing is going to be my RAM. I have the Patriot Gamer Series 2, which is 16 gigabytes. It's very good for what I need it for. But I would like it to look a little bit better than what it does. I guess it's just bare bones. It's not really made for a case with a window on it. The next thing is obviously the power supply. I have the Corsair GS700, which is a very nice power supply. It does exactly what I need it to do. But it isn't modular. That's what I don't like about it. So the cable management is a little bit bad. Next is my CPU cooler. It is an Antec Keüler 920. It's very good. The driver lets me change the color on it, as well as how much it will run, and if it's louder or quieter than it should be. The next thing is my graphics card. It is the Gigabyte 650 Ti, running at 2 gigabytes of VRAM, GDDR5 VRAM. I'm hoping to get an upgrade to a 670 someday, so my games will run a little bit more crisp. But that's a future expansion. I have the Sony OptiArc optic drive. It's okay. It's good for what I do it for, but it's very loud. When I turn it on, it sounds like a helicopter on crack, more likely. Next is my hard drives. I've got one Vertex 4 SSD that is made by OCZ and is 120 gigabytes. The next is my 1 terabyte Seagate Barracuda that is 7,200 RPM and fairly good, if you ask me. It does what I want it to do. Then for my case is the Corsair 300R Windows Edition. It's a great case, but the one downside to it is that they have 2 fan, I guess you can call them fan slots that they put on the window, so it makes it look very bad. Also, it's a little bit harder to get in than some of the other cases, like my friend who makes the YouTube videos that I'm going to be making a Minecraft video with. His has 2 flaps and then those, so it's a little bit more secure. It does have grommets, so the cable management is a lot better, and many fan slots. That's the good thing about it. It's very good for cooling. That's about it. So I'm going to be playing some Portal 2 co-op, hopefully, some Minecraft, and some Left 4 Dead 2. I might play Skyrim just for you guys, but I need you to tell me if you want to see it or not. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.